In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create milestones in a Gantt chart in Smartsheet. A milestone is a zero-duration task that marks a key point in your schedule, like a kickoff, an approval, or a launch. In a Gantt chart, it appears as a diamond so it stands out from regular tasks. Let's walk through creating one from a clean starting point so you can use this in any project. Begin by heading to the Smartsheet home area. From here, start a new project, program, or process using the Create option. Smartsheet gives you two good paths. You can pick a ready-made template tailored to your role or industry, which is great if you want structure and example columns, or you can start from scratch for maximum control. Either approach leads to the same outcome for milestones, so choose what fits your workflow. Next, choose where this new item will live so everything stays organized. Confirm your workspace or folder, give your sheet a clear name you'll recognize later, and then choose the Gantt starting point. Selecting Gantt ensures your sheet opens with the timeline enabled, which makes it easy to see your milestones at a glance. Once your sheet is open, make sure you're in Gantt view. You'll see the grid on the left for task details and the timeline on the right. Add a new row for the item you want to mark as a milestone. Name it something meaningful, like Design Approved or Go Live. Set the date you want this milestone to occur by filling in the start date. The crucial move happens in the duration column. Click into duration and change it to 0. As soon as you enter 0 and confirm, Smartsheet converts that task into a diamond on the Gantt chart. That diamond is the universal symbol for a milestone, and it will sit exactly on the date you've chosen. If you don't immediately see the diamond, make sure the row is not a parent summary and that your Gantt chart is visible on the right. You can drag the diamond left or right to fine-tune the date, and you can still include notes, owners, or attachments on the row without changing its milestone status. If you're using dependencies, keep in mind a milestone can be linked just like any other task, which is helpful when you want downstream work to wait for that key event. That's it. By setting duration to 0, you've created a clear visual milestone in your Smartsheet Gantt chart, making your project timeline easier to communicate and track.